you know, to respect the land, our traditions, our cultures, and never forget the people that helped you up. My name is Yuko Nakasone. I was born in Okinawa, Japan. I'm a business person, or what we call entrepreneur, and I am currently the member of Kolonia Town Council. I hold the post of Vice Speaker of Kolonia Town. I've been in member of several boards here in Pohnpei and even the national government. My parents, who are the original owners of our business, is Mr. Isamu Nakasone, and my mom, who is Japanese, her name is Yuko Nakasone. I have 2 sisters and I have 1 brother. I have 5 children, all boys. I was elected in the Kolonia Town Council way back in 1996, and it's been 7 terms, so I've been in council 27 years. And I'm humbled by the Section 3 of Kolonia Town, who have entrusted me with this position. My mom and dad started a small mom and pop store. It's only about 15 feet by 10 feet. It's a very small store. We didn't really have much time to play because we were always helping our parents with this business. I was, I guess, forced because of the circumstance we were in to drive at the age of 12 so that I can deliver our ice and sell it around the island. You know, Chinatown at the time, way back in late 70s, early 80s, all the major businesses are there. I was surrounded by all businesses. So I grew up in that environment. Because my parents owned a small mom and pop store, I would be walking around big stores and purchase what we needed for our little store. I cannot forget the day Leo Etchite himself gifted me 1 caramel because he thought I was so young, yet I was in business. When we moved from Japan to Pohnpei, the first school I attended was Salatag Elementary School. I was there for about 6 months, and then I moved down to Kolonia, and then I started my elementary education in Kolonia School. When my parents realized that I needed that higher education, they transferred me to Pohnpei SDA School. That's where I got my primary education until high school. While I was in high school, our business expanded, and I devoted most of my time juggling from school to business. I went to COM. I was accepted at several colleges in the States, but unfortunately, even if I wanted to, I couldn't go. I had to think of my younger siblings. I have a lot of people that inspires me. But you know, today, my mom stands out among the rest. She is not only my mom, but she was my advisor. She was our engineer. She was our carpenter. She was a farmer. She was a wife. She was a beautician. She was our nurse. She was our cook, housekeeper, and she was a woman. She made sure that I never forgot my origins. She taught me how to read in Japanese. She made sure that I remember the language. while at the same time pushing me to learn English as well. She encouraged me also to learn Pohnpeian, Chuuk, a little bit of Ming. My mom would always educate us with Japanese proverbs. No break time for the poor. And in Japanese, it says, Bimbo himanashi. Especially me, because I'm the eldest. This is another Japanese proverb, Ku areba, raku ari, which means with hardship comes rewards or pleasure. My advice, I don't know if I am worthy to be giving advice, because I am learning myself. I also need advice myself. But it's things that I live by, and what I always teach my children: to stay humble, true to yourself. Never think that you're entitled. To respect the land, our traditions, our cultures, and never forget the people that helped you up. Don't be scared to try out new challenges. Even though if your business fails, you can always start another one. I have started few businesses myself, and they're not lucrative, so I had to shut it down and start a new one. So if I can do it, I believe any women or men can do it.